Sandesh Khali has remained an issue that has also led to massive politics around it. Apart from the allegations that have emerged from there and the politics surrounding it, the issue has now also reached the courts. Now, in the courts today, there were important decisions that were announced. And in these decisions, the TMC has seen wins in the courts at least. What are the court cases that were decided today as far as Sandesh Khali is concerned? First, there was a notice sent by the Privileges Committee of the Lok Sabha to senior officials of the West Bengal administration, the Chief Secretary, the Director General of Police and others as well. Now, this was sent because Shukanta Majumdar, who is an MP, also the state BJP president, suffered injuries after falling from a police vehicle. He had blamed the police for those injuries. And after that, this Privileges Committee notice was sent to these officers. These officers moved the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has stayed the action of the Privileges Committee of the Lok Sabha and has made observations surrounding it. And also the arguments that were made was that to some extent the privileges of an MP are limited to his parliamentary work, and political protests don't of course mean privilege, and any incident that has taken place during this time also cannot be considered a breach of privilege. But the Supreme Court of course passed orders. This case again will be heard in 4 weeks from now. What was the other case? The other case in the Supreme Court was one that sought an investigation by a special investigation team or a CBI probe on the lines that the Supreme Court allowed in Manipur. The Supreme Court said this is not being allowed. It dismissed the petition. It gave the petitioner the liberty to move the Calcutta High Court, and also said that Sandesh Khali cannot be compared to Manipur. Then there was of course the Calcutta High Court as well. What did the Calcutta High Court say? The Calcutta High Court was hearing a petition that sought immediate and urgent deployment of central forces in Sandesh Khali. It also sought an urgent hearing on that petition. The Calcutta High Court said no to an urgent hearing, said it would come up in due course, and that's that. The other case was also about Shubhendu Adhikari moving the Calcutta High Court, the leader of opposition in West Bengal, moving the Calcutta High Court, seeking to go to Sandesh Khali. The court allowed him to go to Sandesh Khali, but with a warning, no provocative speeches. So that's the courts as far as Sandesh Khali is concerned. Now, the politics. What has taken place as far as the politics is concerned? Well, it started with Rekha Sharma, the chairperson of the National Commission for Women, arriving in Kolkata, targeting Mamata Banerjee for her comments on the Sandesh Khali issue and saying that things are coming out, the administration has been suppressing them, the police have not been cooperating, the police have also been involved in suppressing them. The Trinamool Congress hit back. The Trinamool Congress said, why does the commission not go to places like Madhya Pradesh, for example, where a pregnant woman was, faced brutality? So that is of course one thing. Why does the commission not act when a BJP MP is accused of sexual harassment by wrestlers? Where is the National Commission for Women then? That was the Trinamool's response, and then it pointed out that look, arrests have taken place here. Even Trinamool men like Uttam Sardar and Shivu Prasad Hazra have been arrested. 17 arrests so far. A police team consisting of women going door to door to look into these complaints. The police have also added sections of rape based on a section 164 of the Criminal Procedure Court statement before a magistrate made by a woman. So the police of course defending, the state government defending, the Trinamool defending. The BJP says, well, Mamata Banerjee has been questioning the complainants. She has said, why no FIR? But on all of this, why is this issue continuing to simmer? And that's because there is a political angle to it. What is that political angle? That's the thing that we are going to discuss now. Mamata Banerjee is a chief minister who has a sizable portion of women voters who stand by her election after election. These women voters came out in 2021, the Trinamool swept these elections, and women voters are considered a key constituency. Several welfare schemes targeted specifically to women have been announced by the Mamata Banerjee government. It has delivered electoral results. The BJP wants to dent that. How does it plan to dent that? Well, by targeting Mamata Banerjee on issues like women's safety, asking if she's serious about these complaints, trying to portray that, look, she's a woman chief minister, but she's not really concerned about women's welfare or women's safety. The Trinamool is responding to that. The Trinamool says, look, our people have gone door to door. We have promised that if somebody has faced extortion or land grab, then the party will even collect funds on its own and pay them. So before 2024, this is the political issue around Sandesh Khali. Women voters are extremely important. Both the Trinamool Congress and the BJP know that, which is why the Trinamool Congress is going all out against the BJP, accusing it of double standards when it comes to women's safety, questioning where is the National Commission for Women or where are these teams when it comes to allegation against its own. The Trinamool and the BJP, of course, targeting each other. The BJP says, why is this not such a big issue? Why is the Chief Minister saying it's a mountain out of a molehill? Why she's asking why no FIR? So these are political commentaries that are taking place, and that is primarily because the BJP senses that perhaps it can make a dent if it can push this issue and convince women that Mamata Banerjee is not concerned about women's safety. The Trinamool also sees this as the BJP conspiracy. The Trinamool says the BJP is lighting fires. So it has become a huge political issue, and the allegations from Sandesh Khali are now becoming so heated politically because 2024 elections are just months away, and both the BJP and the Trinamool know voters cannot be taken lightly, which is why there is a narrative, there is a counter narrative, and the Trinamool and the BJP are facing off. Sandesh Khali has become a massive showdown between these political parties. You're watching this video on NDTV's YouTube platform. Please stay tuned to our YouTube platform for more such videos and explainers. Subscribe to the NDTV YouTube platform, NDTV YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon for notifications on videos like these. Thank you so much for watching NDTV.